那个是什么 ？crab， 螃蟹，有大大的螯。dog 怎么讲 ？cat。Good. Okay, next picture. Giraffe 是什么？ Giraffe 是什么？长颈鹿。Okay, next picture. No, 你按到了。No, no, no.
你按到了。
Okay, okay. Okay, next picture.
你按到了。
不可以那么大声。Snake， 蛇。Elephant 怎么叫 ？Elephant 怎么叫 ？No， 不是那一个啊。Bird. What does bird say? Cow. What does cow say? What does sheep say? Horse. What does horse say? 你打拢赶快。
Crocodile, horse.
，crocodile， 鳄鱼。butterfly， how does butterfly fly? bear。shark。
这是那个么吧
Now you play animal.
Lion, shark.
What does lion say?